Now, Wave 31 storm tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 triple Doppler.
Well, it is a 31 alert day. This is definitely nothing to rap about.
Yeah. No. But I will be ad-libbing when I go over to the weather wall here in just a second.
That's basically rapping.
Today is a serious day, though. We do have a 31 alert day in effect. Today is for severe thunderstorms. However, by the time we head to next week, we can go ahead and take a look. We're looking at snow coming on Monday. By the time we get to Tuesday morning, we're tracking feels like temperatures in the negatives. At the moment, let's start with today's storms. 31 triple Doppler at 6:46 this morning, already showing torrential rain and some thunderstorms. If you're in Hamilton or Red Bay, you are already seeing storms track east in your area. If you're right along the Alabama-Tennessee state line in Lauderdale County, pushing towards Limestone, you're seeing storms as well. In Huntsville and Decatur, torrential rain for you along the I-65 corridor. All of this ahead of today being yet another 31 alert day. Now, most of us will see wind gusts of 45 to 55 miles an hour, but the winds aren't our only threat. So is the potential for severe thunderstorms. And those of us who see those severe storms could see wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour. This wind threat lasting through 6 o'clock this evening. The severe thunderstorm potential is strongest in the shoals. That is the reason for the orange level 3 out of 5 risk. The rest of us are in a yellow level 2 out of 5 risk. However, it's been a while since we've seen a level 3, so you don't need to be scared of this system. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be right here until it gets all the way out of our way. But I do want you to recognize that we haven't seen this threat in a while, and it's a system that you need to pay especially careful attention to. As we head through the rest of this morning, we'll start to see more rain and stronger storms develop through breakfast time. That's all coming with a warm front. The cold front that's coming later this morning is bringing the strongest of the storms in a squall-line form. This will enter into Sand Mountain right over the Alabama state line at 10:30 this morning. It continues to track east, impacting Huntsville, Fayetteville, Athens, Decatur, and Coleman right along the I-65 corridor at noon. So today is not the day that you want to be out and about traveling for lunch, because if you are in this area at lunchtime, this is when you'll be seeing the strongest of the wind and the most torrential rain, bringing ponding on roads. This system quickly tracks east into Sand Mountain by 12:30 and exits into Georgia by 2 p.m., taking our severe thunderstorm threat away, but continuing to leave us in a 31 alert day with those gusty winds through 6 o'clock this evening. Your weekend is going to be dry with more sunshine on Saturday than Sunday. Wake-up temperatures are in the mid-20s, high temperatures in the mid-40s Saturday, and mid-30s on Sunday. Now let's get to Monday. We have 2 more 31 alert days in effect ahead of Monday and Tuesday. And I want to be clear with you. I'm tracking the lower level jet, which makes this forecast a little bit variable because it's still 4 days away. But rather than starve you for information, I want to tell you how it looks at the moment, but acknowledge that this could change and you need to continue to check back. We'll start to see snowy weather enter into southern Tennessee and the shoals first thing Monday morning and into the afternoon. As we head into Monday dinner time and overnight, we'll see snow push south and east and last throughout the entire Tennessee Valley, covering all of us through the wee hours in the morning. This is the most saturated radar outlook, and it has snow staying with us through the breakfast time hours on Tuesday. Another model that I'm looking at has the snow getting out of the way by 3 a.m. on Tuesday, so I'm continuing to look at both of those. At the moment, our snowfall forecast looks to be trace amounts in our south and east and up to 4 inches in our north and west. But again, I'm still fine-tuning these numbers. That's just a general idea. Now on Monday, our greatest road impacts will be to our north and west, but on Monday night, more of us in the Tennessee Valley start to see those slick roads. On Tuesday, the big question is how much of that snow will stick to the ground. We know what's going to happen, but it's a question of how are we treating the roads and how much will stick ahead of below freezing temperatures sticking around on Wednesday.